we celebrate Independence Day on? Option A, 15th January. Option B, 26th January. Option C, 15th August. Option D, 26th August. Your time starts now. The answer is option C, 15th August. National tree of India is? Option A, banyan tree. Option B, peepal tree. Option C, mango tree. Option D, coconut tree. Your time starts now. The answer is option A, banyan tree. Which of the following lay eggs? Option A, ostrich. Option B, goat. Option C, sheep. Option D, cow. Your time starts now. The answer is option A, ostrich. Opposite of happy is? Option A, angry. Option B, sweet. Option C, weak. Option D, sad. Your time starts now. The answer is option D, sad. Which is the fastest vehicle? Option A, train. Option B, aeroplane. Option C, ship. Option D, car. Your time starts now. The answer is option B, aeroplane. Which of the following is a reptile? Option A, crocodile. Option B, crab. Option C, fish. Option D, rabbit. Your time starts now. The answer is option A, crocodile. A figure with 8 sides is called? Option A, square. Option B, pentagon. Option C, octagon. Option D, hexagon. Your time starts now. The answer is option C, octagon. Hemoglobin is present in? Option A, water. Option B, blood. Option C, air. Option D, soil. Your time starts now. The answer is option B, blood. Largest 5-digit number having different digits is option A, 99,999. Option B, 99,998. Option C, 56,789. Option D, 98,765. Your time starts now. The answer is option D, 98,765. 1800 hours is equal to option A, 4 p.m. Option B, 5 p.m. Option C, 6 p.m. Option D, 7 p.m. Your time starts now.